Another kingdom, kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi or fungus. It is a unique kingdom of heterotrophs or heterotrophic organisms showing extracellular digestion. Means heterotrophs means they cannot produce their own food. They do not have chloroplast. These are multicellular organisms or single cell organism or unicellular organism, multicellular or filamentous organism, but they do not contain chloroplast. So these are also known as saprophyte or scavengers. Extracellular digestion, there are two types of digestion is there: extracellular digestion and intracellular digestion. In extracellular digestion, when the digestion occurs, the cell when the digestion occurs outside the cell is called extracellular digestion. So in fungi, extracellular digestion is present, and in intracellular digestion, the digestion occurs inside the cell, like humans or other animals. In animals and other human being, the intracellular digestion is present. So the fungi shows the digestion occurs in outside of the cell, means extracellular digestion is present in this kingdom. Next is they have a protoplasm with many nuclei, or within the cell the organisms are unicellular, filamentous. Like unicellular organisms are yeast, multicellular fungi are filamentous like penicillium. Unicellular organisms have protoplasm with many nuclei. So it is a unique point of Protista. The cell of the fungi have single nuclei to many nuclei like rhizopus. In rhizopus, is fungi. In this, many nuclei are present, or with a single nucleus, like yeast. In yeast, a single nucleus is present. Multicellular organism consists of body called mycelium, in which number of thread-like structure called hyphae are present. We see the structure of a rhizopus. These are the spores. This is sporangiophore, and this is hyphae, and it is mycelium. So a fungi structure is like this, or it is also called rhizoids. Rhizoids are there. So the mycelium is present in this. The hyphae may be with septa or without septa. When the septa is present, it is called septate. When hyphae do not have a septa, it is called aseptate or without septa. They may be uni or multinucleated. The cells of the fungi or rhizopus is multinucleated or uninucleated. When the non-septate multinucleated hyphae are called cenocytic hyphae. Cenocytic hyphae. The cell wall in fungi is composed of chitin or fungal cellulose. Either chitin is present or fungal cellulose is present. Fungi contain well organized membrane bound cell organelles except the chloroplast. All the membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, ribosome is present, but there is no chloroplast. They do not contain chloroplast. That's why they are heterotrophs, because they do not produce their own food material. So they grow on the dead and decaying material or other. Example of these are mucor, rhizopus, yeast, penicillium. Some fungi are useful, like yeast. Yeast is useful in bakery, making bakery items. Penicillium making antibiotics. Some fungi are very useful to making antibiotics. The fungi exhibits heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Mode of the members are, most of the members are saprophytic, means they grow on the dead and decaying material, and they digest food or decompose the food material, the organic compounds into small compounds. The absorption is the mode of nutrition. Some are parasites or predators, and some are symbiotic. Symbiotic means most of the animals are heterotrophic or saprophytes, and some are symbiosis. Symbiosis means interaction between two different organisms living in close association. Both organisms are benefited, or symbiotic organisms are present. Reproduction is of two types or three types: vegetative, asexual, or sexual reproduction. Vegetative reproduction takes place by parts of the plant, parts of the fungi, and asexual reproduction takes place by spores like sporangiophore or sporangium. This is a sporangium. Sporangium contains spores. Sporangium contains spores. So the asexual reproduction takes place by spores, and sexual reproduction takes place by the male gamete and the female gamete. So these are some points of kingdom fungi. The next kingdom is kingdom Plantae.